Receive. 5-4. Serve. Receive the libero.
We are back in our live for today's
Another net touch.
game.
6-4.
SBCF versus Apak City. Featuring Ate Coco and the opponent's team Sanaba and Mendoza Mantua.
Drive outside. We acknowledge the presence and the arrival of our SK chairperson, Mr. Sean Ken Hirota. Pakpak! What's the year of Chala? 7-4. Receive the libero. Set to the open. 7-5, 2-point lead. Service ace.
Ano daw ang live? Bastado. Mantua 7. Ano po?
Receive by Huerta. Oh. 8-6. 2-point lead. CBR. Now serving.
Paabag, grabe ka pangabag.
Serve. Receive. Great receive. Combination play. Goes big pick up. Open. Eight, 6.
Update ka sa Discord.
Ayan ang mga wala. Combination play. Palong na po sa bola, sir. Naka-blue. Sir, palong na sa bola. Thank you.
Kasi ikaw.
8-7, 1-point lead. Receive. Big play to the open. Very high reach. 8-all.
May babaw yan sana magad. Baliwala man ang block. Tanawa sa ito. Score.
Ball out. 9-8. 1-point lead. Keep leading. CBR. Receive. Quick play. Dagat. Set to the open. The block was being destroyed by the powerful hit of the open hitter of Team Kibon City. 10-8 is our official score. 2-point lead. Kabakran. Receive. Set to the open. Huerta. Drive. Set. Block is out. 10-9. What a high reach from Huerta. Sanama. 10-9. 1-point lead. Receive. Oh! What a GMB-inspired attack! Center attacker from Team CBR. 11-9.
Isusog na
Receive.
sila diya.
Running attack. A successful running attack was being delivered by Team SPCF from Cantina. 11-10. Service ace. 11 all. Receive. To the quattro. It was picked up. Back to back block by the blunders of Team SPCF.
Grabe kalisod sa ng mga blocker. Eh.
11-12 is our official score. Receive. Gino with a swipe. It's big dug up. Gino straight to the net by Ati Coco. Ati Coco. 11-13. Now serving. Receive. Receive the libero. Good pick up. Ball out. 12-13.
Isir kay saya no.
Kira ko.
13 all. Our score for this inning. First set of the fifth match. Played between SPCF versus Kabonber. Napak. Meow.
Mo binang mo jam ko ano. Ututo.
Receive. Dolphin dive with a slide and gliding off the stage. That is a no-look spike by Tambina, jersey number 4. 14 all. Attendance check. We have now already 1,035 people watching. Fifteen, 14. 15-14 is our official score. 1 point lead. CR City. Ball out. Too much power for that serve. Easy point for SPCF. Serve. Receive. Set to the open. Inside. 16-15 is our score for this inning. 1 point lead to Upper City. Now serving. Receive. Easy over. Just big the gut. Receive. Lay a ball. Oh. Back to balancing. But this time, it is not enough to handle that hit from Sarapa. 16 all. Received by Gino, set to the open. Another back-to-back hit by Manlangir. This is number 11. 17-16 is our score. Ball out. 18-16. 2-point lead. Cabal City. Step 2. Knowledge spike, but that knowledge spike isn't successful because the ball goes out. 19-16. Let me take this opportunity to give thanks to our following sponsor, Mamsusi Sea Capsule, alongside with our Barangay Captain, Darwin Canari, as well as our SK Chairperson of Barangay 11, Sean, Kent, and Verona. And also to our SK officials, Barangay officials, officiating officials, and to all our participating teams. Thank you, and God bless us all. Magulayan tayong lahat, mga Pilipino at Pilipina.
Dili pa.
Back to the ballgame for the charge timeout. Score for this inning is 19-16.
Dili pa ni crossover.
3-point lead team, CBR.
Score 19-16 in favor of CBR.
Serving. Score 20-16. 4-point lead.
At naglabak sa CBR, oh.
Nice read. What an attack. 2017. 3-point lead. is our score. Nice receive.
Touching. Touching ito sa tutoy.
Nice pancake.
Touching.
Net touch. 18-20. 2018.
Sana like ko tulong.
Hello po, Legit
Now serving.
Tampuan, watching from Awihaw to Liros City.
Still alive. Agoy. Above the net.
Uy!
Oh! Nice move. 21-18.
Kaduha na kalusot.
Wala kitang repair.
21-19. Net touch. 22-19. 3-point lead. CBR. Team. Whoa! Nice dig up.
Touching. Touching.
Twenty-two 20. Now serving. Nice receive. Oh. 22-21.
Isa na lang ang lamang ng CBR against SBCF Cantilla.
Receive. Receive.
Patay ka.
22 all. Timeout. CBR.
22 all ang atong score.
Attendance, we already have now a 1,235 people watching here live at Barangay 9 Multipurpose Gymnasium. Let's welcome our host, Lucky Nines Cup Invitational Volleyball Tournament 2024. This is our 15th match played between SPCF versus Hapa CBR of Camadre City.
Pero hindi kayo kumahapak na. Hindi na pa sa una. So kayo.
Too much power for that serve. 23-22. One service ace, 24-22, set point.
Comment pa si Kuan.
Team CBR.
Gani, isip pa kayo sila no.
Kuyog mo. Oo.
Nice block.
Dapat gan. Dapat nindot inyo imo sapatos para lami ang pagka-picture. Mikin.
24-23.
24-23. Last one CBR.
Ball out, winner for the first set, CBR.
Tawag mo si Bar.
Yan na, si Tansit.
Lang. Pindi.
Winner for the first set. Team CBR Hapa. Sa SPCF ta na si Kuan, San Andres, kaso wala man siya kuman. Wala siguro sa ka-attend. Kaya matagpi ang
You are watching Lucky Lines Cup Volleyball Invitational League.
kapupad sa nang
Katabang itaw din.
Ha?
We're moving on to our second set. Moving on to our second set of our 17th match played between Habang-Sitio versus SBCM. First serve. Receiving. Free ball, chance ball, chance ball. It was being read, nice read by Jasmine. Tapika drive! Ball out.
What's it ba dato? Aw, sa gawas.
1-0. First one. Now serving.
Gabi!
Receiving. Two zero.
Dili ka na tumatawag ka ng watcher chair.
Ball out. 1-2. 1. Serving 2.
Ay, sunod na.
Nice dig up. 2-all.
Wapo si Jasmine lang ba? Atay na, under.
3-2.
Para tali.
Double ka na.
Doon! Doon! Anak na!
3-all. Our official score, 3-all. Oh, ako yung ginawa ko. Ako eh. Munti ka ng mahafet.
Pistar
Tanaw
man.
Tanaw lang ihapon ka. 4-3. Receive. 5-3.
Pinakulistan mo yung CBR.
Receive.
Yung lain ako. Kapapaan.
5-4, serving 5, 1 point lead, SPCF. Now serving.
Pabuto!
6-4.
Murag kuhan naman sila. 2-1. Dili, pasok sila.
6-4. Receive, where's that shot? Open.
Sapa!
Receive.
Agay!
Chino. No touch. 5 serving 6 is our official score for this match. Second set play between CBR versus Cantilla. Now serving. Receive.
Kung ano ka date dalit.
Oh, what a great opportunity for a response of that hit by Maglange. 6-all. Now serving. Receive. Away.
Walay pildi ang SPCF.
Oh, what a nice dig up. Wow! And a counter attack by Maglange. A perfect combination from a great dig and a powerful hit by Maglange. What a nice play by Team Apac CBR for this inning, ladies and gentlemen. Our score for this inning is 7, serving 6. Ooh, nice hit! So Rima scores for that point. Our score is now down to 7-all. Now serving. Receive. Attack with the center. Set to the open. Oh, nice pick up. And dump the ball in. 8, serving 7.
Ligyon. Tanga ra gyud mapatay.
Paruha!
8-all.
Bula. Sada. Bula.
Kent Liz Adamson Hasan ay dapit sa kuha ni Barangay Nueve, Kabadbaran City.
Third. Receive.
Hula! Oh! Ayok ka!
Lubur.
Open.
Hoy! Bula.
Playable. Receive. Receive. Good reception actually. Combination play. Miscommunication.
Wala kita na kuhan ko.
9-8, change favor. 9-7.
Uting na ito.
Receive. 7.
Bula. Kastilan.
Nice move.
Sayang.
Si may lamang. Si may lamang na na.
Aray hanay ba?
Receive.
Low block.
10-9. What a nice play by SPCF of Cantilla. 1 point lead.
Jump serve. Jump serve. Okay na.
Nice receive.
Pildi magandang kanta gabi eh. Sugat.
10-all. the net. 11-10 is our official score. 11-10 is our score. Receive. Ball out. 12-10.
Good! Nice serve!
13-10.
Nice serve. Good.
Ayaw!
Wow. Kaya sa to.
Wala tayong mahimo. Gawa sa tatampo. Pero decision din siya. Huwag ito yung mahimo.
13-11. 2-point lead.
Diba? Eh,
Nga pwede maglalis.
anak takas ni Yudi ha. Kapag out.
Mula!
See?
Manto nga! Ayok ka ha!
Ooh, well blocked by Tandika. 12 serving. 13 is our score for the second set of this match.
Luyang, mantuwa ay hinay naman kayo. Nauna bulong bulak. Can I score 12-10? I'll take it.
13-14. 1-point lead. SPCL. Fourteen all.
Okay.
15-14.
Ito na ito. Crossing.
Skipping na.
Receive.
Oh! Oh!
16-14.
16-14.
Ulit pa na. Magaling ako. Okay. Okay. Apang
We
ka.
roll a chance ball for SPCL. No blockers can handle that. 14-17. 17 serving 14. Our score for this inning. Now serving. Ball out. 15-17. 2-point lead.
Plus 2 na
Serving. Receive. Oh, what a block by the Sagas. Jersey number 20. 17-16 is our official score for this match. 16 serving. 17.
Tinuktok kung siya di sir kuhaw buwa. Mula.
Muna!
17 all.
All 17 ang ating score.
Eighteen, 17.
Sood lang.
much better for that serve. 18 all.
Wala pa sila
Through the game played between the two teams from CBR and SPCF of Capila.
17 pila score. Na.
19.
Direct ball.
19, 18. 19, 1 point lead. Service ace. 2018.
Una pa
Receive.
sure.
Oh, what a powerful hit. It passes through the blockers. 2019 is our official score for this match. Second set match played between CBR versus
Lisod, okay na basketball.
SPCF.
Score. Pila score?
Ah, patay ay.
Nice read to the blockers. Set to the open.
Pila score?
21-19, 2-point lead. Cantila.
21-18.
19.
Ah, 21-19.
Now serving.
Favor sa SPCF.
Ball out.
Ah, kana siguro na yung serve.
21-20.
20 na. Tatag na.
Jump serve na sa bird.
Tabla. Wa na. Kildi na.
What a hit! By
Hindi na ka.
Better 21-21. They're now exchanging a powerful hit from team to team. Player to player. Ball in 22-21.
21. Awang sila sa
CBR puti. Puti ang nakadaog. Puti nga jersey.
Receive. Oh, successful play. 22-22.
tanaw to ilang gunong mag-isog naman.
Nice pick up.
Isog. Wala mang balik.
Gino! Inside! Parang lalaban pa sila. 4 years over. Can CBR maintain their composure with regard to this volleyball match? Or they will give the SPCF the opportunity to regain their strength for the next set. Malalaman. Ball in. 23 all.
Ilubukan yan. Nabayot na Bravo Boca.
Pilay ko.
Hindi yan.
23 all.
This is through. Receive! Ay! Muntik! Set point! SPCN. Tana Team CBR. We would like to take this opportunity to give thanks to our following sponsors, our officiating officials, participating teams, and to all the audiences here this afternoon who are watching. Thank you so much. And thank you to our officiating officials as well as the management. Revisto.
Last one, last two. Nice big, sorry ba? All. Second set na. Daog sila dahil na sa first set.
Like, tungkot, like, basin.
All. Grabe. Hindi mo buhi, oh.
Sa kulay pa,
No check. Game na ba? Another slide 2. Another slide 2 again.
Okay, po naman!
Oh my God, slide again, slide 2.
Diwa lagi nila karon na. Sila may sunod ani. Ambot wala pa base. Dawag sila ablo gabi eh.
Signal.
Ablo standard kulang ano eh, kulang sila ablo. Touching.
Last one for Team SPCF.
Sud lang, sud. Sud lang. Good.
Another slide 2. Pangtulong ay slide 2. Slide 2 na naman.
Ayan na, tudahan.
Sud lang. Hoy! Nabu!
Another slide 2 na sub.
Tala, matapag ka.
Slide 2 again.
Baka naman nung siyang pamintin naman tanag.
28-27, last one. Chance start, set point for Team SPCF.
Tulog na kaya.
Nice one! Solid attack against that triple block. Grabe.
Yawan ka pa.
Slide to na naman. 28 all. Sayang! Service error. Last one. SPCF. And this match will move on to set number 3. Sayang. Kuya ako na service error. Na, mubawi na ni Kwan. Mubawi na sila, PCF.
Bye.
Grabe na dula eh. Palaban ka dyan, palaban. Walang bumibitaw. Tagadabaw, mga wan. Tagadabaw.
Oh, ulira.
Butog naman ko. James Agoylo sa Kwani, Cababaran City, Barangay Navy. Yopop Cubs. Sa second set daw ang SPCF. Ang signal. Ang next game ata, Travelers versus Kuan, Tandag. Nagkagubot na mga ano tayo.
Ito kayo mga uya, pwede na magkaugban niya, pwede na kayo. Kami pa sa friends. Hindi pa sa mag-class. Hindi pa sa mag-class.
Ikaw man eh. Dito ako ng Jollibee.
Gara na. Natuyatan ta sa third set. Nag-relax pa ang mga player.
We're going for a third and deciding set. Still race to 25.
Nagkagubot na ang mga mustaay sa atbang. Aman. Pati yung sa live. Third and final set. Abang-abang mga ka-arad. Paa, bagay kabukad.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the third set of the match. It is the final set.
man, kuwag ka mo. Ano man ikaw?
Nagino.
Sige lang ako sa kita. Nag-i-screen. Tawag man eh.
Annoying.
Nakabay ako guys. Sir! Okay na!
Atuwa dito.
Elimination round pa din.
Wala man din. Ay, tanong din.
Among gihangyo ang pananaway, again, kanina paniga para sa inyo ha. Pero para makahatag ko ang mga dula atong mga players at mga sa gamay. Kaya naman ko yung possibility nga mga nila ang bulan. Masalamat. And again, wala yung tao sa ilalim sa kuhan. Okay na sila sa clear. Tanangin ko ang linya ng blue, kung pwede hindi mo lang pa sila ang salamat. Ang yun na sa ato ang SK. If napay-bag po, kasi kailangan mo mag-ikot pa, mas comfortable na mo. Dalang salamat.
Wala tahan ikaw, talagot ang
Again, this is the third exciting set.
Last 3. Ano mo? Okay na na. Last 4 na may kayo na.
Last try, murang basketball.
Nahurot na may kayo na. Lain na yung black kayo na yun. Ang black kayo na yun.
This is set number 3 on the match. First serve from Team Box CDR.
3 blocks.
Ano, ganun.
Yawa, buinas. Ba't na ito? Kayo na yun. Lapos kayo pang bunal.
Kung ganun ka to ang block.
Now serving for Jersey.
Again, kasi pwede ito makapakinig gamay, kapag hindi mo sa serve at all players. Dalang salamat. Tanang players, na sa manalaman na sa ilang sa stage. O pwede ka, pakinig na gamay. Okay sa imo, sir, sa players, sir.
Pabuto, pabuto.
Kung gusto ko layot, kaya kabukad mo para.
Sulod lang
Now
nila, sir.
serving Jersey number 16. Nice serve, Big Libero.
Kaya
Set.
magiging kayo ng serve.
Back to the top. Start blue by Jersey number 18. And settle. Now serving from Team Box CDR for Jersey number 18. The score of this match is 1-all.
Yawa ka plaster. Kaya yung nakuha ko.
Service error commanded by Jersey number 18. The score of this match is 2-1.
Eh kung nga pa ni sila ikaw na libero ka dyan, malusog-ulot sa
Now serving.
libero nga, mukuhan ka dyan. Kung sila libero ko na.
Oh, klaro!
11D. Set. Para sa plato. Number 19. Nice kill. The score 3-1.
Kalabaw tayo ko.
This is set number 3 of the match. Service out. Target by
Hindi
GC
man naman
number
nilang
6.
serve. Kaya kayo. Eh,
The
inaano na.
score 2-3. Two more
Kaya na ako ng number 9.
SCCN.
Ang number 9 ba? Tulala kayo. Gaya na ba?
Dili halos muli mo.
Gara. Isa naman ng alaya to. Grabe yung alaya.
The score of the match is 4-2. Now serving for Jersey number 11.
Ah, sila kalaban gid ay ni Kuan.
Aman.
Sila ablog. Ha? Ini ko sila ablog.
Aman.
Iban.
Sama na.
Requesting ka po. Salamat.
Serving. Nice serve, Dick. Hatag sa uno. Una ka. Nice steal by Jersey. Number 11.
Hindi naman kayo lihok ng ilang kuwan.
Now serving from Team Apoxy R, wearing jersey number 4.
Alam mo yung exercise ba?
Nice serve. Day number 11. Ihatak sa uno. Number 6, adjust. Nice steal. Committed by Jersey number 6. The score of this match is 5, serving 3.
5, serving 3, favors
Now
out.
serving for Jersey number 19.
Suod lang.
Serve. Nice serve. Serve is out. Committed by Jersey number 19.
Dili ilang bulak. Kaya naroon na siya si Marva. Ang isa suod.
Now serving from Team Apoxy R, wearing jersey number 11. Nice serve. Uno. Hey, off the ball. That is jersey number 6 from Team SCF. Score 6, serving 4. Now serving for the owner of Team SCF, wearing jersey number 2.
Signal.
Serves out again, committed by Team
Kaya naman pinaka-penalty
SCF.
kay score ba yan na?
The score of this match is 5, serving 6. Now serving from Team Apoxy R, wearing jersey number 23. Serving. Nice serve. Serve is the jersey number 23. The score 6-all. The score of this match is 6-all. This is set number 3 of the match. Number 23 again, serving. Nice serve. Serve is out. Now serving from Team SCF. Wearing jersey number 6, Solima. Nice serve. Good bola. Number 7, Largo. David Rivero. Good ball. Number 3, Committee. An error. The score,
Hindi sa
7
ilang kuwan o
all.
pula no? Murag may kuwan ba?
The score, 7 all. Now serving for New Jersey.
7-all ang score.
Wala, naratong sila.
Nice serve. David Rivero. Set. Atas sa middle. Middle attack. Score. The middle blocker of Team SCCF. That is jersey number 6.
Bullshit.
Reblock!
Naulit.
Now serving for jersey number 6, 16. Nice serve. Center. Middle is blocked. Good bola. Reset sa open. Adjust. Number 16, Dave. Sulima. Reset number 19. Number 19, adjust. Dave Rivero. Set. Dihatag sa 4.
Under!
Sayang. Serving again, the second attempt, wearing jersey number 16 from Team SCCF.
Naira, come out!
Nakasudron.
Nice serve. Dave.
Out.
Set. Dihatag sa 4. 4.
Wow!
Bola. Free ball from Team Football. Diego Rivero. Middle chance. Oh, smart move by jersey number 6 from Team SCCF.
Amo na
The
higayon.
score of this match is 10, serving 7. The score of this match is 10, serving 7. Dave, set, ito sa middle. Smart move by the middle blocker of Team Apoxy R. Now serving for jersey number 18, Ancero. Ancero serving. Nice serve. Set by Mabinos. Long bola. Dave by number 11. Middle. 4 touch. Double. According to our first referee.
Sod lang, Miko. Alay out, Miko.
Ako
Now serving for jersey number 6 from Team SSL.
Out mo na to.
Team, atas sa ulo, ulo adjust. Good bola. Sulima, see the ball.
Oh, good!
From Team Maxior, set.
Correct.
Combination play. Sulima is gone. Ready to adjust. Smart move. Smart kill by jersey number 11.
Tumatahan na!
Now serving.
Ayaw, pigo!
In the second attempt, for jersey number 6.
Out na lang karon.
Ayaw, pigo! Anara!
Nice serve, then. Hatag sa 4. 4.
Amo na igayon!
Team score. Team score.
Amo na igayon eh!
Wala. The score of this match is 13 serving 8. The score of this match is 13 serving 8. People from Team SPCF.
Ito magagawa yung ano rin kayo lahat. Kuan singit ka din rin yan naka dito.
Singgit rin.
Gani.
Players in court 2.
Dito na yan.
Back to the ball game. Now serving again from Team SPCF for jersey number 6. Hit by Sulima. Set. One sa 4. Carlos for the Isarina. Wearing jersey number 19. He scored 14 serving 8. This is a final set of the match.
Laban ng tulo! Plus 3 naman!
Serving again, jersey number 6. Now serve, Levedo. Score by jersey number 11. Score 15-8. Time out. Team Bapak CR.
We would love to take this opportunity to give our thanks to our home sponsors. From CCC Country, alongside with our lovely captain, Honorable Doreen Kitali, as well as our SK chairperson of Barangay Guaybo, Sean Ken Hewlett, and to all the Barangay officials, officiating officials, and organizing team, thank you so much. Back to the ball game, coach, Sean now.
Players, back to ball game. The score of this match is 15 serving 8. Favor of Team FCCM. Serving again from the incline, wearing jersey number 6.
Mani rin na kamaon eh, kwartas man eh.
Nice serve. Serving save by jersey number 6 with the score 16 serving 8. Ikaw makana ang Team Paxio. Serving again. Nice
Ano pa lang
serve.
ilang sir guy na manulog.
Set. Gato sa
Sayang.
gato. Patuan siya. Smart move by Tambeka.
Hindi na, mambak mo taas.
And now serving from Team Paxio, wearing jersey number 7. Serve. Nice serve. Combination play by jersey number 2. What a match.
Basta may score sila 22. Kadaog.
Now serving from incline, wearing jersey number 11.
Ano, may score sila 22. Kadaog ako.
Nice serve. Deep set. Middle attack.
Oo, di na natin. Sige. Kadaog ako sa may score.
Outside kill.
Plus 3.
Serving again, the second attempt, wearing jersey number 11. Nice serve. Di Guerrero. Middle, gata sa ulo. Ono adjust. Score
Ah,
by
di mo yung
jersey
primero nila. Bukit.
number 11.
Eh, kung ano dan, taps na dan.
Now serving from the 11, jersey number 4 from Team Oxnard. Tambeka. Tambeka serving. Nice serve, Dave Guerrero. Set. Running attack. Score by jersey.
Gani kayo isa ko.
Sa kung ganun.
Serving.
Kulata na.
Nice serve. Take the middle. Berlagan. Outside play. According to first serving. Time out. Team CBR. No more time out. Team CBR.
Score! Score! Man, di anawan sa buwang
The score of this match is Twin Serving 10. Viewer of Team SCCF.
Wala na lang, score na ako. Lungkot ako.
Shucks. Dagan sa kanang bola.
20 na score.
Back to the game.
5-4 may daman.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is set number 3 of the match. To be played between Team SCCF versus Team CBR. Serving number 19.
So, try. Nagungay ng siguro ni siya.
Walking serve.
Oh,
Service out. Committed by jersey number 19.
Layo, bibiya.
Piensa.
Score na sa tuwa, umana. Sir, wala may isdiri. Hindi pa na.
Nice serve.
Oo. Score lang.
Adjust. Dribble. Hey! Miscommunication. They were freaking Maglami.
Isa na lang, score, isa na lang.
The score of this match is 21-11. Favor of Team SCCF.
Isa na lang, manukot ako.
Nice serve. Nagluwan, dapat sa uno. Uno out.
Uy, hindi ko.
Touch.
Block is out.
Ano ito na ikaw?
Touch.
Rizaba serving from Team
Check,
CBR.
check, check.
Serving. Nice serve. Dead. Combination play! Nice Solima. Jersey number 6. What a play by Team SCCF. Now serving from Benton, Solima, jersey number 6. Service out. Committed by jersey number 6, Solima. Ay, bukan ang bola. Now serving the center of Team CBR, wearing jersey number 1. Nice serve. Combination plays, block. Good bola, people. People, di pa. Mino, bilis block. Ihatag sa uno ang shot. Block! Monster Bob, the jersey number 16. The score, 22-13. The score, 22-13. Keyboard. 23-9. Middle adjust. Good bola. Set pressure. Grabe Solima. Then, sir. Back set to the libero. Adjust. Good bola. Rally of the match. Number 5. Adjust. Block. Bring ball again. Martinez Messi. Latag sa uno. Big libero. Sayang. Match point. Team SCCF. Match point. Team SCCF. 24-13, jump serve. Service error committed by the server. Bula, Paliho. And 0 from Team CBR is serving. Match point, Team SCCF. Nice serve. What a play. Next, Neta, supporting for second referee winner, Team SCCF.
Ay, pili sila.
Check times.
Dali.